Sometimes conversations get tense, even when both people care. And in the heat of the moment, things can come out wrong. Here's a gentle way to bring things back on track. It's called a repair attempt, or hit the reset button. It means you use kindness or light humor to de-escalate. You might say, "Can we start over?" Or "I think we got off track, I don't want to fight." This small moment of kindness can soften the whole conversation. It shows you care more about the relationship than being right. Hit reset, choose connection,